Listen. Breathe. Look inward to that part of you, of us, of our customers where the journey all began. Allow the vibrations to engage your senses, recalling the memories of where we have been and dreaming of where we are yet to go as we dive deeper into the sound of our lives. Eternally in the palm of our hands, we watch as the world stops to listen, to take note as the physical takes flight and the sound of our future takes shape. Let us take a moment, only one, to look around to the meaningful rhythm created through the immersion of our digital pulse. Born from the very essence of who we are. Excellence is never an accident. It is the result of high intention, sincere effort, intelligent direction, skillful execution, and the vision to see obstacles as opportunities. Contextual solutions, the aspiration of where we'll be. It's never stopping, pushing forward, reaching higher in the pursuit of profit with a purpose. Feel the beat, answer the call. Can you hear it? Can you feel it? This is the sound of retail.